Hey, it's G, and welcome back to 7 Days Die, Alpha 19 with LegoCRB, and yeah, hope you enjoy, and views question is advised.
So I just want the bullets,
Yeah, get them
and
bullets.
you can have everything else. I don't need it. I just want bullets for my gun.
Okay, I'll grab those bullets. Ooh, you forgot the Molotovs? Seriously?
Well, you know, I didn't forget them. I saw them.
I'm gonna head back
Man,
to the
that's
house. My
not
inventory
good.
is full as beyond.
Yeah, let's do that. That's a good
Trying to find a safe way back down.
idea. We need. We really need duct tape, man.
Did you break your leg again?
No. Where are you? Oh yeah. Where's our house?
House is this way.
Oh, it's this way. I was like,
That's towards
you know,
the
I have
quest.
a little bit.
I have a little
I have a
quest
little
by.
bit. Yo, this is a new business too.
Yeah, it looks pretty nice.
I'm not going here.
There's only one true way to get in.
Holy shit.
Hello!
Can you die
I just got
already?
destroyed.
I like how there's just a.
Explosive barrel there. There's a workbench that can be used here. Where was this when we needed it? Mechanical parts. Okay, I don't know what we're supposed to do out here.
Because there's. How'd you get up there? There's a crate up here, Jeremy.
I strafed over here. You get the crate. I'm gonna see if there's anything to this shed.
There was
Nope.
anything on the roof.
There's just a guy in there. There's an XP
You know
shed.
what this could be? This could be one of the ones with the. Nope.
I don't know, I can check.
Could be like a secret bunker. Or not.
Nope. Not that I know of. I don't think this PI has that. Min-Mac. Min-Mac or Mick-Maker. Min-Maker.
It's mini mart.
Whatever. I like these little new shelves they have now. They've added. I want crushed cola, bruh. Breaks her roof. Perfect. Stay down.
Oh,
What are you doing?
what's up?
Oh, hello. Get him, boys! That shirt is extremely tight on you. Holy crap. How can you breathe with the thing on?
Yup.
Just corn. There's just corn, don't mind it.
Oh, those are looking pretty decent over there.
Well,
What was in
there's
those?
food over there.
Oh, we didn't even see that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No eggs, dang it.
I got it.
I'm bacon and eggs, dang it. They
How
made
did I
Zephyrs.
not just...
Ooh, that light doesn't even exist. What? The light just phased through this light. Okay. Someone wants to in. Sorry, this place is closed, man. Didn't you see the sign? I feel like this update they've given us a lot more ammo than guns. Or like you find more ammo than guns.
Oh, yeah, no.
Because I remember that was like the biggest thing about last update was that it was all about having no ammo. Like your guns would run out ammo so fast. And now it's just like too much ammo and less guns. So you'll never run out for pistol ammo for a while.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we have a pretty good supply back home. I see our house.
That's all you wanted to say is to see your house.
I'm just to look around for some ammunition. Holy. There's a few stacks here.
You just orgasmed about bullets. Are you okay?
Hold on.
Done. Where did our leather
Why
even
is there
go?
still a zombie body? Why is there still a body in our pool? Meow.
Dude, you got like the sick bod. What the heck? What the hell?
Hey man, I got a slim waist on.
Meanwhile, there's my character. Looks like I'm a beefy. Like I'm very beefy. What's if I dig under the tree? Oh, it just breaks automatically. We need more wheels. We got tons of acid.
More wheels, we got more ass.
I'm ready to go on another adventure unless you got more mini bikes. Got one, yay!
This is so slow. Oh wait.
Yeah. Actually, that's way better than walking though.
Wait, does
Why?
I don't know. I mean,
Sure, I'm down with it.
There you go. I bought it for $300 at the church.
And now it's only worth 440.
It was the shittiest one he had.
So?
No, I'm gonna put our money back.
It's a good panic attack weapon.
No, it's gonna be good.
I don't need no tier 6 blunderbuss no more.
Well, they gave it to me.
It's in the chest I'm in right now.
I really don't need blunderbusses at all, but
Right here.
you know, I'm just gonna keep them around because why not?
Yeah. When in doubt, blunderbuss. I like how shiny the reflectiveness on the guns are.
Hey, let me through. Where are the wheels?
They're inside the workbench.
I need a split. Hold on.
Don't worry, they're split inside. I just see you just broken leg and everything. How was your day at work? I broke my leg!
Jeremiah.
Are you okay?
So, about the, do anything? Do we have any more splits? Because I accidentally scrapped the pile of them we had.
I have one right here.
You do?
Right here. How can you scrap an entire thing of splints?
I don't know. Don't
Only
ask
you.
me.
Only you, man. Only you can do that.
I gotta get a battery. Hold on, there we go.
Oh, you haven't got a battery. I like how you're just side shuffling over here. You're like walking shuffling.
Alright, it's crafting.
Yeah, I'll grab it so that it's mine when I place it down. So then I can see where it's at. I remember you were like you were attached to that song. There's just a guy screaming at the top of his lungs. Oh yeah. I'm back. I love that it shows the light of it. Just chilling there.
I think we've just about gotten everywhere in town. You wanna go somewhere else?
Sure. Well, there's a mission I have that's nearby here that we can get. And I think it's one of the clicks you can do it. Change the controls on this. Yeah, mini bike. I usually don't use the mini bike or the motorcycle anymore, because usually when I'm settled down by a town, I get a frick ton of XP and I can already unlock the truck. So usually I wait around until I get the truck. But yeah, we have to go to this cars place. I don't know if you were here already though. So that's why I'm gonna loot it.
The car place, yeah.
Did you loot all the cars?
I could drive in. No, I didn't do it all the cars. Oh, but I have a thing, so I can. But yeah, I'm alright.
Yeah, there's a new wrench too that is just specifically just taking down cars. Like it gets you more rewards.
Oh,
Wait,
you know
wait,
where we haven't been yet, Jeremiah?
Where? Where?
If I can find it, there it is.
Is it that factory that I tried to explore and didn't do so well in?
Oh, this right here. Ooh, we're gonna die. You know what? You can even see him in here.
No, you cannot help me, sir. Yeah, Colin, I can. It's harder to hear you. Like, how far is your mic away from you?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oh my! People keep on telling me this, and I think it's because this. Is that better?
You're like really
that
close
better?
now. Just a slightly
Is
bit
that better now? That's better now.
Slightly bit better.
Okay. I'm at the bear den right now, Jeremiah. So.
Okay.
If you
I'm just
want to
pick-
come help me fight, if you want to come fight the bear with me, my guy.
Sure. Give me a
Just help.
second. I'm gonna do this mission really quickly. It's just a fetch quest. Cool thing about the mini bikes, you can store a whole bunch of crap in here.
Oh yeah, I forgot you store things.
You feel that? Cause I'm at the.
Is it bad?
The cool thing about having a town right next to a trader, the quests are very close. So that's why I'm doing the car place right now. I'm just trying to get another engine for our next vehicle upgrades.
Found a camp station.
Nice. Does it work?
Yep.
Nice. Mark it on the map so that we can go to it next time we need it. Yeah, I'm almost ready to move downstairs. Nice. Then I don't have to wake up my parents every time I have to go to bed. Yeah, my favorite quests, I don't know if they fixed them, but there's the Hydra quest for clearing out. Usually have like these big giant buildings that sort of don't make any sense. 2 shots to the head with an AK. Good enough for me. I need food. I can get some food from the bears at the bar. Hopefully they have
I'm hungry. Well, I'll be fighting bears.
bears. The AK is actually pretty powerful. You can hold 33 clips, 2 shots to the head, they're dead. Ooh, spam, perfect. Spam! Woo! Yeah, perfect. Let's put an explosive barrel inside the janitor's closet. I hear you. Level 23. Yes, baby. I'm under the cars. They're being very loud. Very, very loud.
What about the shower? Did you ever get the downstairs shower never fully work?
No, we can use it, but not as often. Oh, I love the AK, bro. There are some other weapons I prefer over the AK, like the machine gun. There's the only downfall with that is books. It takes forever to reload it. Empty mix Sabura. Okay, I think I got everything in here. I'll check the back. So I'm hoping they're adding a crawl mechanic. That'd be cool, wouldn't it?
I would love a crawl mechanic. I would absolutely love that.
Because then they can do some creative stuff. Okay, it's right here.
Found a bear. Oh no, I died.
That was fast! I didn't even give you 2.5 seconds.
Oh.
There's a bear by the car dealership.
That was I shot him once with my shotgun and he just went nope. Well, I also had like no health, so you saw how low my health was, right?
Yeah.
Dang. Well, my mini bike's over there.
They added more health to the. I feel like they've added more health to the bears. So people can't just mow them down with the AK.
That bear was a little bit of a.
I believe there's like 2 to 3 bears in there. I'm gonna harvest this bear for the leather. Why does he look purplish? Oh, because there's a light that's making everything purple. I wonder what the modded community is gonna do with Alpha 19. Because that's gonna be fun. Because there are some modded gameplays that I like playing through.
Alright, I made a quick way up to get to the bear. I can hear.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'll stand by it so you can see it.
But stop saying "well" to my booty. We're the biker gang now.
You got a mini bike.
Yeah. I refilled your bike.
Come here. Where are you at? Come back here.
Give me a second. I'm putting things in. I'm putting things into the.
Up.
Give me those. I need those. Okay, there's a way you said you made up.
That one, ma'am.
Gotta reload my AK now.
Come to me. I'm like. No, I'm not in the building, Jeremiah.
You're not even in the building?
No, I'm not. I am. I'm up top. I'm on the top of the building, but I made a ladder to get up.
Really?
Yeah. Come over here. So just
I
get
see
out.
him.
If you can. You found what?
I see what the bear is, but I don't want to be there. Let me out.
Well, actually, are you on the balcony right now? You
Yes.
should be able to just hop on the stairs from there.
Yes, I am here.
Okay, cool.
Have no fear, or I am here. With an AK.
Alright, you ready to die?
Yes, I am ready to die.
Oh, I did not mean to do that. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked.
He's dead.
Well,
Get his meat. I don't know what to do with venison
also
yet.
not. Jeez, I don't know.
I thought there were supposed to be 2 bears in here.
Well, what if there is?
Because there's usually 1 in each cage.
I found the. Oh.
Loot stash?
Yeah. I'm in the loot room. 6 grand.
Yeah. That's impressive,
Because
isn't it?
2 are like. Because 2 are like. Almost $1,000.
No, 1
Or
is
600 maybe.
Yeah, 1 is 1,500.
Oh, well then, never mind.
And that's without the bartering perk. Like, the bartering perk will increase the crap out of it. It looks like the silver nuggets are 1,000 apiece. We got 20 of them. Another 20,000 in the bag.
That sounds good. Jeremiah.
Hmm?
Pickle salsa.
Pickled salsa?
You didn't get the Chaka Messiah crate. That's right under it. Anything in it? Or anything good in it?
There is a tier 4 club, no, tier 5 club, and then there's some repair kits.
So nothing good. I need to. That was not good.
What happened?
To eat some food. Do you see my health? Oh wait, you can't because we're not. Do you see my health?
My god, dude.
Oh, it's only day 5.
Yeah,
I thought it was a whole lot.
that's the thing.
Because I was gonna say we also need to work on fortifying our house a little bit, but
I was about to do something about this woman. There we go. And to return back to the trader, so we can get our loody booty. Dead. Oh, he's locked. I forgot. Oh, you piece of crap. Let's see if I can get to the right teleportation. Yes, I did. Houdini, bitch. I guess we can still get some more loot. I don't.
let's go. Let's go find a road to go down.
I'm not empty on my inventory, but I have enough to.
Oh yeah, wait, go empty out your inventory. Oh, I went empty.
Okay.
Went empty? Yeah, I went empty. I don't have any shotgun shells though. Can you grab some shotgun shells for me?
So that's all I have for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode. And yeah, AK-47.